Greetings, scholars. Let's continue to write the reaction paper. So this is day 2. On day 1, you formatted the paper. You made sure that you had all of the sections. You copied that. You made sure that you wrote your first 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs for the paper. Today, day 2, we want to talk about writing section 2, the causes. And again, remember for me, I want you to make sure that you keep these section headings in the paper, because section headings let me know which section of the paper that you're writing. They also divide the paper up so that I can see each section. So today we want to talk about the causes, right? What causes mass shootings, school shootings, gun violence, whichever one you decide to take. You may want to focus on the causes of mass shootings. You may want to focus on the causes of gun violence. You may want to focus on the causes of school shootings, right? In general. So pick a side. Consider this section, section 2, a 5-paragraph essay. You've all written a 5-paragraph essay. You have an introduction. You have 3 body paragraphs, first, second, third, right? And so you want to give me these 4 paragraphs. You want to write an introduction. You want to give me 3 body paragraphs supporting your thesis. So, very simple. If you take this from the standpoint of you writing a standalone essay, if you take this from the standpoint that you're writing a standalone essay, you're just going to write an introduction. All of you know how to write an introduction, okay? Keep your thesis, right? Use research to assist you with the causes. And then you're going to focus on, I'm sorry, I didn't change this. What causes mass shootings, gun violence, or school shootings, right? Focus on one and not the other. So give me the causes. Write a good introduction. 5 to 8 sentences. I don't want more than 5 to 8 sentences for this. Get the reader's attention. Make the reader want to read the paper. End with your thesis statement. The thesis statement should just be general. I do not want you to go and give me a plan of development. If I keep this general, and let's say I want to focus on mass shootings, I can write just a general thesis statement that says there are several causes of, I'm going to say, school shootings in the United States. Oops. The end, right? That's going to be my thesis statement. The thesis statement can go anywhere in the introduction. As you know, it can be the first sentence, it can be the second sentence, it can be the third sentence, just as long as you have your thesis statement here. And I want you to keep your thesis statement general. I do not want a plan of development. With the body paragraphs, remember, use a transition. Make sure that you use a transition. Make sure that you go back to the topic sentence. I'm not going to write this section for you because I don't want anybody copying my work. But research, I've gone over research when we did the first section. Make sure that you include research. I need at least 1 piece of research in each body paragraph, okay? Just 1. That's all I want in each body paragraph. Again, your instructions that go over and over, they're the same thing. Make sure that you use a transition. Make sure that you use research. Make sure that you are adequately explaining and analyzing the points that you're making in this section, okay? So section 2, day 2, should be pretty simple. Consider this writing a 5-paragraph essay without the conclusion. You have an introduction and 3 body paragraphs, okay? As always, if you have any questions about anything, shoot me an email. I will be happy to answer your questions. Good writing to you, and I will see you in the next video.